Welcome back. Today we're out to do some ballistic testing on these deer loads I made up. These are 7.62 by 39 Barnes 130 grain TTSX. I have this set up here to try to catch this bullet. I'm mostly trying to see if it will, to what degree it will expand. So I got 4 jugs of water. I got 8 layers of deer hide, another jug of water, and a bunch of jean material. And let's see what it does. Let's see what we got. First jug, second jug, in and out, third jug, in and out, fourth jug, somewhere in here. There it is. Beautiful expansion. Absolutely beautiful expansion.